Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make kefir with kefir grains using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools: 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains, 1 to 2 cups of fresh whole milk, and a clean glass jar. You will also need a non-metal spoon and a non-metal sieve. Sterilizing your equipment is crucial to ensure a healthy fermentation process and prevent unwanted bacteria from growing. Once your ingredients and equipment are ready, combine the kefir grains with the milk in your clean glass jar. A good ratio is 1 tablespoon of grains for every 1 to 2 cups of milk. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth, allowing air to circulate. Let this mixture ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 to 48 hours. The longer it ferments, the tangier it will become. After the fermentation period, it's time to separate your finished kefir from the grains. Place a non-metal sieve over a clean bowl or jar. Pour the fermented milk through the sieve. Gently shake or stir the sieve with your non-metal spoon to help the thick kefir pass through. The kefir grains will remain in the sieve. These precious grains are now ready to be used for your next batch of delicious homemade kefir, continuing the cycle. Congratulations, your fresh homemade kefir is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it in various recipes. Store your finished kefir in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 7 days. To keep your grains healthy, simply place them in fresh milk in the refrigerator if you need a break from making kefir for a few days. Happy fermenting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.